Welcome back to Work in the Verse. Thor here, and have you noticed that it doesn't take long to go from whoa to yeah, that's pretty much what you expect in VR? Let's see though if the following technologies might help that sense of awe return. We're going to look at Vario's teleport, Garcia, and Meta's hyperscape. Stick to the end and we'll look at one more idea that's in beta, but you can start enjoying it today, and it gets us where the other three don't. A couple of years ago, Vario talked about recreating environments in VR so others could join you. Late last year, Vario delivered their experience and made it available to several headsets. As with most things VR, the video you see here doesn't quite capture what it feels like in VR. There's definitely a sense of surrealism. You can even explore the areas captured, and you can go beyond too. So what's missing? A couple of things. You can't have others join you. It's strictly a solo experience, so you're on your own. The other thing that's required is a desktop PC with a higher-end graphics card. The minimum recommendation is an RTX 3070 for small scenes and an RTX 3090 for larger scenes. One thing that it has going for it, though, is you can capture your space with an iPhone running at least iOS 17. You can sign up for a free 7-day trial if you want to scan. As for viewing, it's free. Links below. It's worth a look. And if you don't have a headset, no worries, as you can still view the captures through the desktop or mobile. Gracia VR enables you to create, view, and share volumetric stills and videos. They use Gaussian splatting-based technology, essentially simulating more natural-looking shadows while maintaining efficiency. As you can see here, there's a definite change in how it feels. In headset, it feels different too. The colors aren't as vibrant as Vario's solution, but at the same time, it feels more natural. Time to play a guessing game. Is this being rendered on a PC or directly in your headset? If you're brave, pause here and guess in the comments. Now, to make it even harder, I have both rendered on a PC and headset. Can you tell the difference? In headset, I couldn't tell the difference either. Another difference that you'll see here is that Gracia VR also supports video too. If you go the PC route for display, you can get by with an RTX 3060 graphics card. If you're interested in capturing your own scenes, you'll have to reach out to the developers. One last comment, you'll find more content to check out in the desktop app rather than the Quest version of the app, and a couple of different navigation features too. Links below on where to get Gracia VR. This brings us to Meta's Hyperscape that was released during last year's Meta Connect event. It has the least content to share, but some of the most realistic scenes in detail. When in headset, you almost feel like you're actually there. You'll need a high-speed connection as they're rendering in the cloud and then streaming. Oh, one more requirement. You'll need a Quest 3 or 3S. Sorry, no support for the Quest 2. Like the others before this, we're missing that ability to have others join us, and so far nothing yet on how and if we'll be able to capture scenes ourselves. Meta did share on the app page that they're using mobile devices and cloud-based processing for capturing. And now the last project to look at, and that's the YouTube VR client for Quest. It works on all Quest headsets, and once you get through the navigation quirks, you can invite others to your Quest home to watch content together. Just a few things to point out. You have to be in immersive view to actually see the video you're sharing. The controls aren't the most intuitive. For example, you have to click the twisty to get to other videos, options, and searching. You can't watch 180 or 360 video together, which really is a major bummer, and you can't share DRM content that you've purchased through the Google Store. Does anyone know, though, if you both own the content, if it would work? Let us know in the comments, because if it did work, that would be a pretty cool feature. Thanks for watching to the end, and if you haven't done so already, like this video, subscribe, and until next time, keep working the verse.